Hello and welcome to HW News. A day before yesterday, Railway Minister Piyush Goyal had tweeted that 200 non-AC passenger trains will be started in the country and the railways will ply on the tracks from June 1st onwards. Now this comes in addition to the 15 trains, AC passenger trains that were already announced by Piyush Goyal and the Railway Ministry that go from New Delhi to different parts of the country, and the Shramik special trains which have been arranged to take the migrant workers back to their hometowns. Now, the booking for these trains, 200 passenger trains that will run from June 1st onwards, has started from today onwards. At 10 am today, the booking for these trains started, and the entire list of these trains, which will be the trains that will ply on the tracks, that we have also written an article about it, and I am giving the link of that article in the description box below. But today in this video we are going to talk about the standard operating procedures that the railways has announced for these particular trains. So let us first start with the booking of tickets. So the Railway Ministry has said that only online e-ticketing will be done through the IRCTC website or through the mobile app. No tickets will be booked across the reservation counter on any railway station. So only online you can book the train tickets. Booking of tickets through agents, both IRCTC agents and railway agents, also is not permitted. The ARP, which is known as Advanced Reservation Period, shall be maximum 30 days. So which means maximum 30 days in advance you can book the tickets. RAC and waiting list will be generated as per extant rules. However, the waiting list ticket holders will not be permitted to board the train. Let's move on to next rule. No unreserved, that is UTS tickets, will be issued, and no tickets will be issued on board to any passenger during the entire journey. No Tatkal and premium Tatkal booking shall be permitted in these trains. First chart shall be prepared at least 4 hours before the scheduled departure, and second chart will be prepared at least 2 hours. Now, unlike the present practice of 30 minutes, which means that 30 minutes before the scheduled departure the list is published, unlike that, the new rule says that 2 hours before the scheduled departure the list should be prepared. Now, all passengers shall be compulsorily screened, and only asymptomatic passengers are allowed to enter or board the train. Passengers who are travelling by these special services will observe the following precautions as well. So these are the precautions that have been announced for the passengers. Only passengers with confirmed tickets shall be allowed to enter the railway station. All the passengers must wear face covers, masks at the entry and during the entire travel period. The passengers shall reach the station at least 90 minutes in advance to facilitate the thermal screening of the passengers at the station. Only passengers who are found asymptomatic will be permitted to travel. Passengers shall observe social distancing both at the station and on trains. On arrival at their destination, the travelling passengers will have to adhere to the health protocols as prescribed by the destination state or union territories. Now let's talk about quota. All quotas shall be permitted in these special trains as has been permitted in the regular trains. Limited number of reservations, that is PRS counters, will be operated for this purpose. However, normal ticket booking cannot be done through these counters. Let's talk about concessions now. Only 4 categories of Divyangjan concession and 11 categories of patient concessions are permitted in these special trains. What is the cancellation and refund rule? Railway passengers cancellation of ticket and refund of fare rules 2015 shall be applicable while travelling in these trains. In addition, following instructions have been already issued regarding refund of fare in case passenger is not found fit for travelling due to symptoms of coronavirus. He shall remain applicable for these concessions. Now, as per Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines, all the passengers shall be compulsorily screened and only asymptomatic passengers shall be allowed to enter or board the train. If during the screening a passenger has very high temperature or symptoms of COVID-19, he shall not be allowed to travel despite having confirmed tickets. Now, in such case, full refund shall be provided to passenger as under. First case, on PNR having single passenger. On a party ticket, if one passenger is found unfit to travel and also all the other passengers with him on the same PNR do not want to travel, in that case, full refund shall be granted for all the passengers. Second case is, on a party ticket, if one passenger is found unfit to travel, however, the other passengers on the same PNR want to carry out the travel, then in that case, full refund of fare shall be only granted to the one passenger who is not allowed to travel. For all the above cases, the TTE certificate shall be issued to the passenger at the entry point, checking point, screening point, itself mentioning number of passengers not travelled due to symptoms of COVID-19 in one or more passengers. After getting TTE certificates, online TDR shall be filed for refund of not travelled passengers within 10 days from the date of journey and the original. Now, TTE certificate issued shall be sent by the passenger to IRCTC as per the provisions, and full fare for the part passenger or full who have not travelled shall be refunded by the IRCTC in the customer's account. For the above purpose, CRIS and IRCTC shall make necessary changes for filing of TDR for non-travelling passengers due to COVID-19 symptoms. One option, part or full passenger not allowed to travel by railways due to very high temperature or COVID-19 symptoms, will be available in that particular section. Now let's talk about catering on the train. No catering charges shall be included in the fare. Provision for prepaid meal booking, e-catering shall be completely disabled. However, the IRCTC shall make provision for limited eatables and packaged drinking waters on payment basis only in limited trains having pantry car attached. Information to this effect shall be made available to the passengers during time of booking of tickets, which means that you cannot book the meal before boarding the train, which also means that some trains are allowed to have packaged drinking water and some amount of eatables, but that will only be on payment basis. So you can board the train and after that you can order this particular food. On the other hand, the passengers are also encouraged to carry their own food and drinking water by the Ministry of Railways. All static catering and vending units, multi-purpose stalls, book stalls, miscellaneous, chemist stalls, etc. at railway stations will remain open. In case of food plaza and refreshments rooms, etc., cooked items may be served as takeaway only with no sit-down eating arrangements in the place. Now let's talk about linen and blanket. No linen, blankets and curtains shall be provided to the passengers inside the train. Passengers are advised to carry their own linen for the travel. The temperature inside AC coaches shall be suitably regulated for this purpose. Zonal railways have been instructed to ensure that there are separate entry and exit gates at railway station to the extent feasible so that there is no face-to-face movement of passengers. Zonal railways will be guided by the standard social distancing guidelines on stations and trains and observe the safety, security and hygiene protocols. All the passengers must download and use the Arogya Setu application. Passengers are also advised to travel very light. As per the Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines, the movement of the passengers as well as the driver of the vehicle transporting the passengers to and fro the railway station shall be allowed on the basis of the confirmed e-ticket. So these were the standard operating procedures, the rules and regulations that were announced by the Ministry of Railways for the railways, the trains that will ply on the tracks from June 1st onwards, the 200 trains that will ply on the roads from June 1st onwards. The booking has started today onwards, so you can go to IRCTC app or website and book your ticket if you want to go to your hometowns. Well, do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.